Hi again. Let's talk about collaboration now. We have our project set up, and in some cases we want more than only us to access and edit our document. However, at the same time, we still want to maintain a level of security. So we want to add a password that not everybody can edit it, but only people with certain rights. And we do so in the resource menu by simply clicking on the resource view, or in different words, by going from the view type work breakdown or wherever you are at the moment to the resources and go to entry. Now let's imagine that Torben Meyer is a user that needs access, user access, edit access, write access to our project plan. So we can go into the inspector and we can already see is user is currently not active. So I activate it. And then in the first phase, I see this window popping up. Currently, the default resource, that's this one over here, is marked as the user. I can do one of two things. I can either use this default resource as some sort of guest access, or I can change their rights to, for example, only allow for read-only. As I've said, I wanted to have only read-only access for those people who are not a user. So I go to read only. And now I can see for Torben Meyer, I can set a password and give him permissions. So read and write is good. Set the password. Let's give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter. Confirm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click OK. And now whenever the project is now being opened again, I can simulate this quickly. By clicking on the open house event now. I see right now that I'm only guest. If I want to, however, change the user rights, I can go to switch user or click Shift Command U. And now I see there's the guest, open as guest, or I can open it as a registered user. In this case, Torben Meyer, I would say that's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can remember the password if I want. I click on open and the project opens again, but this time not only in guest access, but in the read and write access. So I can edit, get new resources, do whatever I want. And now I'm Torben Meyer in this project.